Kaya mo rin ka ng istorya.
Let us hear the message from one of our completers, Wenceslao Jr. B. Sipot, Grade 10 Bonifacio, with high honors.
Good afternoon. It is my honor to extend a genuine welcome to you, parents, teachers, school administrators, our beloved school head, Mr. Romeo Itikar, EDD, guests, friends, and most importantly, the batch of 2024. Fellow completers, today marks as a grand day in our lives. This day is the day we celebrate not only the accomplishments of years of hard work and dedication, but also the memories and friends that we have made along the way. From the start, we're all strangers that come from different places with different goals and objectives. But right now, we leave our classes in unity, with full of memories and shared experiences that change us permanently. We have been challenged and pushed to our limits. However, we remain resilient and grow tougher. We now learn that success is not just about achieving something alone, but about lifting one another in order to excel. I would like to congratulate all of you for surviving throughout junior high school. We must strive harder for the upcoming obstacles that we may face. Don't retreat and always give your very best, because success without hardships doesn't feel rewarding, and without difficulties, it cannot be considered a success. Remember, if you're not struggling, you're doing it the wrong way. To our beloved teachers, I'm grateful to all of you for being part of my journey in achieving greatness. Not only did you teach me how to write, read, solve mathematical equations, explore history, and learn the fundamentals of the world, but you also taught me the essence of life. You taught me to appreciate the beauty of it and how to live and make the most out of it. Without your guidance, I wouldn't be able to speak in front of all of you right now. I sincerely express my gratitude to you, Ma'am Heidi Abiar, Ma'am Ayesa Sahagun, Ma'am Lilibet Joy Baguio, Ma'am Cherry Egea, Ma'am Jinlu Gambong, Sir Briley Cadigal, Sir Dan Tesorero, the most beautiful teacher, Sir Benji Martinez, and all of the teachers in junior high school for making this journey memorable and shaping me into a better person. For my cherished companions, I extend my deepest gratitude for making this junior high school life delightful and worth cherishing. There are moments where I feel stressed due to the workload and academic pressure. But thanks to you, these problems get solved right away. I would also like to mention my dearest friend, John Mark Hinaro, specifically in grade 6. Ever since then, we've had each other's back, helping each other inside and outside of school.
Ako ba nagpailila sa inyo buwang mo?
Not being blood related, it's like a brother to me. All I can say to you is, I hope that we will witness each other's success one day, as I will be always by your side.
Ay,
I would also like to acknowledge this girl whom I admired.
Ala!
She's the reason why I'm motivated to go to school, despite being tired or lacking enthusiasm. I always find a way just to see her. She also gave me the drive to further improve myself, so she would be impressed with me and I would have a higher chance to befriend her, since she is also intelligent.
Ay, kinsa mo na!
But it saddens me that the school year is now ending. Hence, I wouldn't be able to see her anymore. I wanted to make you aware that you gave me the determination I needed when I was feeling down. You saved me when I was slowly destroying myself, when I was drowning. You helped me bring out my inner strength, the best in me, and also made me realize the things I wasn't aware that I'm actually capable of doing. You illuminated my path through the darkest times. Thank you for that.
Kinsa mo na! Kinsa! Name drop!
Lastly, to my parents, Ma and Pa, I would like to say that I love you. I may not have said this very often, but I love you. Thank you for making me experience the bliss of life. Thank you for your light that shines and guides me to the greater things. And thank you for being there for me whenever I needed your presence. All of these achievements I've acquired are all dedicated to both of you. You serve as a fuel in my burning heart that continuously strives for brilliance. So, my fellow completers and friends, before we step into the unknown, always remember that ships are not built for calm waters alone. Therefore, when the waves crash, adjust your sails and keep moving forward to greatness. Our journey has yet to begin, and I cannot wait to see the paths that each of you will forge. Congratulations, class of 2024!
Thank you so much, Wenceslao.
Name drop, boy!